Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi A5 steering wheel. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the procedure. Also, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and centered before you begin. Having the right tools, such as a Torx bit set and a trim removal tool, will make this job much smoother. Next, we'll tackle the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes on the back of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool, carefully insert it into these holes to release the retaining clips. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag away from the wheel. Then, disconnect the yellow and any other electrical connectors, like the black one for buttons, before setting the airbag aside in a safe place. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll need a triple square, or XZN, M12 bit for the large central bolt. Loosen this bolt, but do not remove it completely just yet. Before fully removing the bolt, make a clear mark on both the steering wheel and the column to ensure correct alignment when installing the new wheel. Now, you can fully remove the bolt and gently pull the old steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. Finally, let's install your new steering wheel. Carefully slide the new wheel onto the spline shaft, aligning it precisely with the marks you made earlier. Insert the central bolt and tighten it to 30 Newton meters, then turn it an additional 90 degrees. Reconnect all electrical connectors, including the yellow airbag plug and any button wires. Secure the airbag module back into place. Lastly, reconnect your car's battery and thoroughly test all steering wheel functions to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.